Hello everyone, I hope you're doing really amazing today. This video is going to be all about year 24. This year has been full of adrenaline rush, and I must tell you that I have grown not as a racer but also as a rider. Yes, Valley Run has been highlight of the year, but there was one more thing, that was my first international ride to Austria. So touring is a completely different world for a biker and racing is completely different world. There is a confluence of these two segments where every biker wish to walk. Here I am walking as well as running over it, and this video is all about those stories and those things which I have experienced in this year. Let me talk about my drag racing. So this year many things changed. You can see that I have a brand new bike, and delivery of this bike was taken in June. It was raining heavily after June and I couldn't ride my bike much, and also I went to Austria to complete my first international ride. Well, I am actually hyping it because I am in love with those touring scenes and everything. Now let me get back to the racing scene. Races that happened in first half of the year, I used Gen 2 Busa, my previous one. After buying Gen 3 Busa, I decided that I really want to test this bike because there have been incredible upgrades in the bike. Now the challenge started because I had to actually build the bike from scratch, and you will not believe that for this season I have actually used this bike in stock condition. There were very minute changes which I have done in the bike, but still I am incredibly happy with what this machine can do. This year's Valley Run was very important for me. Before I talk about what is new in the bike and what all changed in this bike, you should actually watch what happened at the Valley Run. Here we are at India's one of the largest drag event, that is Valley Run, and it is not just a normal event, but here we have cars, bikes, and it is like full fast and furious scene. Before I start telling you about this entire drag racing and so much more, and about my bike, just see runs which I have done in this season. The fastest rider in India. So generally I enter into D2 and E3 category, that is one is Busa class, that is 1050 plus CC, and another one is unrestricted class, that is E3. Both my runs are done and I am really happy with my machine. Everything in this machine is new and I was really excited to take it on the track. If you have seen my video where I have taken delivery of this bike, I intended to take this machine in stock conditions on the track to understand its true potential, because of course after Gen 2, Gen 3 has been really great and there are so many things in this. Electronic is upgraded, the shape is so good, and actually it has not at all disappointed me. People prepare for these races for weeks and months and put best of their machine and about themselves. Every biker would always say to you that engine oil is like blood in their machine. When I talk about engine oil, Castrol Power One was first to bring API-SP technology to us. Next and most important is that Castrol Power One's 5-in-1 synthetic formula definitely helps in better acceleration, in better cooling of the engine. When you are at a drag strip and using a drag machine, definitely you need a higher acceleration as well as a better throttle control. Along with that, you also need better cooling properties because you're shifting gears at a very high RPM, and that time engine oil plays a very important role in it. Well, when this year started, and like everyone else, I had so many goals and I thought that this is the year I am going to get into and few great things are going to happen this year. But I am sure that this year has been very tough on each and everyone. People who are watching and person who is actually in this video. This year has taught us about hardships, going through hardships as well as facing them, because I think everyone I know has gone through something or other, and the best part is that they have given it back and they have faced it. And I am so proud of you all. We can understand how strong we are only when we face challenges. Unless and until I ride the bike, I will never be able to tell that how I can handle the bike. मैं मेरा एक पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस बताती हूँ. मैं आप लोगों को कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें बताना चाहती हूँ that has actually started shaping my life. सबसे पहले पता है क्या है? That is fitness. Last December I started playing badminton. और तब मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि गेम खेलने से आपका फिटनेस नहीं होता है. आप अगर फिट हो तो आप गेम खेल सकते हो. Then I started looking for gym, और I am sure आप लोगों में से भी 10 में से 8 लोगों के पास तो पक्का जिम की मेंबरशिप होगी जिसमें आप जाते नहीं होंगे. From mid-February March I took everything very seriously. एंड येस, मैंने इसके बारे में खुल के अब तक बात नहीं करी है कि बिकॉज मैनी पीपल टेल मी दैट आई हैव लॉस्ट वेट, सो इट वॉज नॉट ईजी. लेकिन मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा फिटनेस पे ध्यान दिया, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमारी जब बॉडी हेल्दी होगी, मेंटल हेल्थ जब हमारी अच्छी होगी और इमोशनल हेल्थ जब हमारी अच्छी होगी, देन ओनली वी कैन डू एनीथिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड. येस, उसके बाद आता है फाइनेंशियल हेल्थ और बाकी की सारी चीज़ें, लेकिन ये 3 जो चीज़ें हैं इससे हम बनते हैं. 8-9 महीने से मैं रेगुलरली जिम जा रही हूँ, मेरे फूड पे ध्यान दे रही हूँ, मेरे रूटीन पे ध्यान दे रही हूँ, एंड आई हैव सीन ट्रिमेंडस चेंजेस इन मी. नॉट जस्ट दिखने में या पतला होने में, लेकिन आपकी एनर्जी लेवल चेंज हो जाती है, आपका सोचने का तरीका डिफरेंट हो जाता है, आपको चीज़ें फेस करने का तरीका डिफरेंट हो जाता है. दिस वॉज वन मेजर हाईलाइट ऑफ दिस ईयर 24. नाउ कमिंग बैक टू रेसिंग. रेसिंग इज़ समथिंग जहाँ पर आपकी बाइक की सिर्फ जिम्मेदारी नहीं होती, आपकी खुद की भी बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी होती है. और ये साल मेरा इतना ब्लेस्ड रहा है इस मामले में, क्योंकि मैंने सर्किट रेसिंग सीखी. मैं KTM कप में गई थी एज अ मीडिया पर्सन, एंड आई रियली एन्जॉयड लर्निंग सर्किट रेसिंग, और वो बहुत ही डिफरेंट है फ्रॉम ड्रैग रेसिंग. व्हेन आई से दैट एवरीथिंग वाज न्यू, देयर वाज वन मेजर थिंग दैट वाज न्यू, एंड दोज आर टायर्स. So these are not normal tires. These tires come from manufacturers who have legacy of 100 years of producing performance tires, and that is none other than Redestein. And I was really excited to try these tires on my beautiful new machine. Tires are always called as shoes, and definitely you should always wear shoes which will protect you, which will be very comfortable to you, and which will give you confidence to walk and run. And that was my exact thought when I chose these tires. When these tires were new, and I just rode them for 20 kilometers on normal street, and then I took them on drag strip. When I took bike to drag strip, I was actually experimenting with the tires with respect to burnouts, with respect to air pressure, because I wanted to get the exact launch which I wanted at the start line. And I was surprised that not even once my tire spun. In fact, it gave me perfect contact patch, and result was that my timing, I was really surprised and really happy about it, that I got timing of 10.232 seconds on Gen 3 stock bike. Next and most important thing for any tire is that it is made up of what? Redestein tires are made out of dual compound technology with innovative silica based component. This actually makes this tire perfect for track and even for various road conditions. Redestein tires have high modulus 0-degree steel belt. This is very important for stability of your bike as well as the way it reacts on the track. With all these technology and features, I am actually very excited to test these tires on track as well as on street. I'm sure that the best part about these tires is not just about the features, but
these are made in Europe and available in India.
I'm really excited to be associated with this brand and use those tires and get very good numbers in my first race with them. I have another trusted partner, and that is no one else but BMC Air Filters. I have been using BMC Air Filters not in just my drag bike but also on the street bikes. Even in my Gen 2 I was using BMC Air Filters, and now again in Gen 3. The best part about them is that they use cotton filtration, which increases airflow efficiency, and that gives you a very great performance. They have 2 categories, one is racing filter and one is normal filter. Right now in this bike I have put racing filter, and I could actually feel the difference when I was racing. See, these brands which I'm using, I have been very real and candid about them. The way their products are, they definitely give you results. But you know, the most important thing is that these brands coming ahead and supporting women in motorsport. I have been very vocal about it that this industry is like in a closed box. But right now, when I see that women are actually participating, coming forward, racing, choosing it like a career, I'm really happy about it. And I want to really appreciate all these brands that they are coming ahead, supporting person like me who is trying to do something out of the box, doing few things which are tremendously tedious as well as they take lots of effort and money. I always say that it is not what you win, it is always what you do in that sport or in that work, and then the result is up to upar wale ke haath mein types. And you know, one more thing which is most important for me, it is you all people. You all have been really my biggest motivator, because I know that on the other side people will wait for me to come on the track, to perform, to give my 100% and go back with a very, very happy heart. I always say this, I have been blessed with very good people in my life. Yes, there have been very bad people too, but definitely good people number is always higher, and I am blessed for that, and I am really grateful and thankful to each one of you who is watching this video. Before I end this video, I want to give you a glimpse and actually that fast and furious vibes. So just wait for a few minutes, check these videos from Valley Run, and I'm sure that you are going to get crazy.
I was built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on the gas, never stop competing. If you break my glass, then this life's gonna end.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving.
Bike, drag racing, and how and what all things happen this year. But there are many more things which will be coming up very soon. So stay tuned to this channel. Also, you can follow me on Instagram because I share lot of content, lot of my personal stories there on Instagram. So do follow me there, and I will be more than happy to connect with you. If you have any queries, doubts, questions or anything, just write down in comments. I am going to respond to all of them. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.